Here, Judy. Have this one too. Keep your strength up, okay?
Oh, it's yours. I don't...
Just take it. I don't want it. I can't drink milk anyway.
It's very kind of you.
Oh, how are you feeling, Junie?
I'm alright, thank you. We're all really glad to see you.
Hold on, I just realized. If we have to form groups of 6 next round, then we won't need anyone else.
Why?
Oh, because the baby.
That's a good point.
Твои обещания устала так.